video will focus on word problems involving quadratic and rational equations. But first, let's review on how to translate the problem into symbols. We have here two examples. Ken is 3 years older, can be represented as x plus 3, and x for age of Christine. Then the next phrase, Sam is 5 years younger, can be represented as x minus 5 and x for Jake's age. So for number one problem, Jim is 4 years more than twice the age of Leia and the product of their ages is 30. The first question is, which of the following expressions represents Jim's age? And the second question, using the word problem given in number 1, how old is Jim? So we will solve the problem. Let x equals age of Leia and 2x plus 4 is equal to the age of Jim. So we are going to multiply x times 2x plus 4, and that is equal to 30. Then we will simplify. X times 2x is 2x squared plus 4 times x is 4x, and that is equal to 30. Then we will divide this by 2. So 2x squared divided by 2 is x squared plus 4x divided by 2 is 2x equals 30 divided by 2 is 15. We will transpose 15 to the left. So x squared plus 2x, positive 15 becomes negative 15, and that is equal to 0. And we will identify the values for a, b, and c for this quadratic equation. So a equals 1, b equals 2, and c equals negative 15. The formula for quadratic equation is x equals minus b plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Then we will plug in all the values. X is equal to negative, b is 2 plus and minus, then b again is positive 2 squared minus 4 times a is 1 and c is negative 15. All over 2 times a is 1. Then we will simplify. X equals negative 2 plus and minus 2 squared is 4. Negative 4 times 1 times negative 15 is equal to positive 60. All over 2 times 1 is 2. So x is equal to negative 2 plus and minus 4 plus 60 is 64 over 2. X equals negative 2 plus and minus square root of 64 is 8 over 2. Then using the positive sign, x is equal to negative 2 plus 8 over 2. Negative 2 plus 8 is positive 6 over 2. And this is equal to 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then using the negative sign, we have negative 2 minus 8 over 2 is equal to negative 2 and negative 8 is negative 10 over 2, and this is negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5. So we are going to choose positive sign. So we will choose positive 3 because we cannot use negative 5 for age. Then for problem number 2, the length of a wall is 6 meters, more than twice its width, and its area is 20 meters squared. The first question is, which of the following expressions represents the length of the wall? And the second question, what is the length of the wall? So we will solve the problem. Let x equals width and 2x plus 6 is the length. Then we are going to multiply x times 2x plus 6, and this is equal to 20. So we will distribute x times 2x is 2x squared plus x times 6 is 6x, and this is equal to 20. Then we will divide this by 2. 2x squared divided by 2 is x squared plus 6x divided by 2 is 3x, and 20 divided by 2 is 10. And we will transpose 10 to the left. So x squared plus 3x negative 10 equals 0. Then we will use now the quadratic formula. So a is 1, then B is 3, and C is negative 10. So the quadratic formula is x minus b plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Then we will plug in the values. X is equal to negative b is 3 plus and minus b again is 3 squared minus 4, a is 1, and c is negative 10 all over 2 times a is 1. So we will simplify. X is equal to negative 3 plus and minus 3 squared is 9, and negative 4 times 1 times negative 10, that is positive 40 all over 2 times 1 is 2. So x equals negative 3 plus and minus square root of 9 plus 40 is 49 over 2. So x is equal to negative 3 plus and minus square root of 49 is 7 over 2. So x equals negative 3 using the positive sign over 2, or this is equal to negative 3 plus 7 is positive 4, then over 2, this is equal to 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then using the negative sign, x is equal to 3 minus 7 over 2. Negative 3 and negative 7, that is negative 10 over 2. And negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5. Then we will choose here the positive sign. So our answer here is positive 2, because we cannot use negative 5 for measurement. The second question is asking for the length of the wall. So the length of the wall is 2x plus 6. So we'll substitute 2 for x. 2 times 2 plus 6 is equal to 4 plus 6 is 10. So this is the length of the wall.
Amazing!
So thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video.